I had to put this window back in. That was somebody had made that before. The reason why I don't have any rubbers that will fit in here that are wide enough.
Okay.
I have windows. So what I'm going to do is make another. I just drew it out here. I'll cut it and put that in tomorrow.
Okay. So are those original rubbers and they just don't make them anymore? Or?
Somebody reskinned over the skin.
Okay.
And then they had to put these big rubbers in.
Yeah.
Something with a deep groove, eh?
Okay.
So, and I can't get them. This is original.
Yeah.
This is added on after. You
Oh,
see
yeah,
how big the rubbers
yeah,
are?
Yeah, I see the difference. So original, you can see it's
Yep.
original, and this one here is a different width.
Yeah. You see, this is only 1-ply tin here.
Yeah.
That's 3-ply now.
Okay.
On account of adding to it.
Okay.
So this is what the rubber looks in the inside. See how fat it is?
Yeah. And that's the original over there.
That's original on 1-ply, on 1-ply metal.
Okay. So how hard is it to deal with these windows? Is it?
No, if you got the right rubbers, it's not a big deal. But I don't have the rubbers, and I got no place of getting them here. They would have to be picked up in Winnipeg.
Okay. So drive shop today or no?
Drive shop tomorrow morning. They just phoned.
Okay.
The fuel filter is on.
Okay.
New cartridge, new seals and everything.
Yeah.
And the hell else was there? The dipsticks are
Oh, color
transmission.
coded there, yeah.
And this one here is hard to see. You have to get right in there because it's blue.
Oh, I see it right there, yeah. Okay.
It's very hard to see. You'd have to have a flashlight in the dark to see it, or get your head right in there. But then the fuel tanks is here too, so
Yeah.
it's kind of crowded.
Okay.
There's no charge today for anything. It's all donation.
Oh, why is that? Just felt like in a giving mood, or?
Yeah, it just felt like doing something for nothing.
Okay. Well.
But anyway, if I get the drive shaft, then naturally I'm charging. Cause
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, a few extra pieces of plexiglass.
Yep, and I got a new brake system here. This is a Wilco brake system.
Okay.
Is one port in here for fluid,
Yeah.
but it's a double pumper. There's it breaks from both sides.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll put a heavy spring in here to keep it apart, and this one should work perfect. Look how thick the shoes are.
Oh, okay.
So anyway, pretty happy about that. Other
Okay.
than that, it's Miller time.
Okay.
Have to feed the deer here in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Quarter after 4. I didn't have the right rubbers for the windows.
Yep.
So what I done, I made them out of plexiglass. I had real thick plexiglass in stock.
Yep.
So I cut it out and got silicone behind the bolts. And that's the windows for now.
Okay. How hard is it finding original windows? Or
No, I have
original rubbers?
I have windows in stock, but I don't have the right kind of rubbers. So when I do get the right kind of rubbers, the wide ones like this, I can put the real windows in, and the rubbers will cover the drill holes.
Okay.
So no problem.
Okay.